Positive Self-Talk for Calmness. Scripts by neuroleadership coach Rob Potts. I stay calm, even when things get hectic. My strength lies in my calmness. I take a deep breath and find clarity. I don't let external pressure overwhelm me. I can respond calmly and thoughtfully in any situation. I choose my responses deliberately. My calmness helps me make better decisions. I remain calm, even when others are not. I am mentally strong and calm at the same time. My body and mind are in balance. I've learned to find calmness within myself. I trust that I can handle challenging moments with composure. I stay centered, even in the storm. I don't need to control everything. I control my responses. I'm a calm and clear-minded leader. My calm mind creates space for creative solutions. I'm not a victim of my emotions. I guide them consciously. My thoughts are clear, calm, and solution-focused. I grow through every situation that challenges my calmness. I have a calm and powerful inner presence, and others can feel it. Enjoy practicing and strengthening your calmness. Thanks for listening.